Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And here with my daughter, we will be doing the headliner, like I told you guys. And we're gonna replace this. We'll see how it goes. So we're gonna start taking out the thing. At first, you have to just pull this one, the rubber. Then just snap this out for a little bit. And then we're gonna remove the screw on this one on both sides, and then also the handle for the thing. We're gonna take that one out too. So I'm gonna put the video here. The finish cleaning. So it's gonna be look like this when you clean it. So we're almost there. We're gonna spray some adhesive, and then we'll put the new headliner. Hello everyone, we just finished putting on the new headliner. So this how they look like now. So yeah, we're gonna install it right now. So I'll give you guys another update again. We already put in the new headliner, and this is the outcome of it. So looking pretty nice. Look pretty nice now. So I guess it's a perfect job. So we're in the last handle to put in. There you go. This is the finished product of the headliner that we just built. Look nice and neat. So good. Perfect. Yeah, so giving you an update with the finished product of the headliner. So now we're ready for the part, and we'll move on to a different car. So I hope to see you guys soon, and please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Thank you.